In today's video, you'll practice with 3 hazard perception clips designed to improve your timing and awareness. One of the clips contains 2 developing hazards, while the other 2 clips each have 1. To make this as effective as possible, I'll first play each clip without any explanation, just like in the real test. Your job is to spot the hazard and decide when to click. Then, I'll replay the clip and clearly explain where the hazard appears, why it develops, and how you can maximize your score. Let's get started. Clip number 1. Now let's solve clips 1 together. In this clip, the developing hazard is a dog moving into the road ahead and approaching your lane. You should respond as soon as you notice the dog near the carriageway. So, first click here, second click, third click, and at this point, the hazard is fully developed, so you should slow down and be prepared to stop to avoid a collision. In this clip, the second developing hazard is the pedestrian at the crossing on the left. You should respond as soon as you notice the person near the crossing. So, first click, second click, third click, and now the hazard is fully developing, so you should slow down and be prepared to stop to give way safely. Clip number 2. Now let's solve clips 2 together. In this clip, a developing hazard can be seen ahead on the left, where smoke is coming from a building, indicating a possible fire. You should also notice an emergency vehicle, fire brigade, approaching, likely responding to the incident. As the fire engine approaches and prepares to turn right across your path, this becomes the main hazard. You should respond as soon as you notice the smoke and anticipate emergency vehicles. So, first click here. Second click. Third click. Clip number 3. Now let's solve clips 3 together. In this clip, there are parked cars along the left-hand side of the road. Ahead, a blue car is moving slowly and has its left indicator on. This suggests the driver intends to pull over and park. This creates a developing hazard because the car may slow down suddenly or stop, which could affect your path. First click. Second click. Third click. That's it for today's practice session. If you completed all the clips, drop a comment below and tell me how many hazards you spotted at the right time. If there's anything specific you want next, more hazard perception clips, DVSA theory questions, or driving test tips, let me know in the comments. And if you're aiming to score 65+ in your hazard perception test, make sure to check out my full masterclass series. I cover everything from the basics to advanced strategies, and you'll find both parts linked in the description. You can also explore the full playlist for more practice clips to keep improving your skills. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.